Iedereen, kijk. Hello everybody, today you're watching another video of nobody. Bruh. I'm back. Today we're playing Don't Press the Button. I think I've already played this game before, but we don't talk about it. We don't. And that's an update, so. Bruh. English, please. Understandable. Have a nice day. Wait, now I have to go in my inventory. Bruh. Can I also throw them with Kaya? Kaya. Okay, that didn't work. That didn't work. Bruh. Take this. Boom. I'm gonna put it on the top. Yeah. Yeah. I can win this. No way. But Kyle will definitely win. Who won? What? English, please. Okay, now I'm going. Ah, hot potato. I'm invisible. Ha, you can't catch me now. Kyla, look at this cool stuff I have. I can turn invisible after the cooldown. Pff, it just exploded. Me when I have explosive diarrhea. Pff. Oh no, the button. It's fire. Man, you need fire resistance. Minecraft be like. Why did you stop it? I just want to burn. What the? Okay, this is new. Oh, and random. Sonic rings be like. No, okay, this is so. Bruh, what is this? Bruh, how do I go up? This is so laggy. Oh my, bruh, I just literally can collect it. I think I missed a couple, but I don't care. And then I'm all the way there, and then I just. Does it count actually? Pff, no. Now I have to go all the way back. Yeah. And English, please. How many times do I have to tell you? Bruh, I missed. Now I'm out of here. Psych, press the button. But actually, it's named Don't Press the Button. Who's just... Oh. And I'm just gonna... Wacht nee, I'm just gonna cheer you. Do it. Why is he literally standing on the button? This is the most annoying thing. And for people that don't know it, you have to click it with your fingers. Or with your mouse. Cause why is he standing on it? I mean, I respect bacon, so it's okay. You see the bacon, buddy? Yeah. But still, why did you do that? What? Hey. Boom.
Hey, good job.
Didn't work? I'm out here. Bruh! Your friend has joined. AK. Better. Oh wait, no, that's you. Why is your name actually better than Erica? And Erica is named better than Kyla. LOL. Kyla, can you see me?
I can send you after.
What do you mean? Why?
Nee, ik weet niet after.
Bruh.
Kijk. Waarom is daar?
How did you get that?
I don't know.
Man, you do be glitching. I mean, God, you have like you still have the glider. No, I'm invisible. You can't see me, bro. He hacking. Hey, why am I? But everybody, if you don't subscribe, I will show you.
Zo snel.
Bruh.
Hoe kan zij zo snel gaan?
Speaker. Everybody, if you don't subscribe, I'll do this or this. Bruh. Oh, go. Hey, it's new here. Yeah, don't knock him off. Don't knock him off. Doge. No, we still have one Doge. No, don't knock the blue off. That's so mean. Whoa. Oh, Doge. 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 No, Doge, where are you going? Like, if this will stop, Doge will let me fall off the map. And I am gonna fall off the map, I'm sure, so I'm just gonna go away. It looks so beautiful. Space. No, you're gonna knock the noob off. Doge died. What is this? No, I don't like this. You're gonna fall presents. Then you have to grab them. And then you have to put them at the right color.
Hoe grab je dan?
Je moet er gewoon onder staan. You have to stand under them. Stupid. How much do you have? I have 5. I'm so good at this, but I hate this one. No! I did by the wrong thing. No, what's that? Then? What? She always wins. And what is the bacon doing there? I mean, it's no problem, but... What's this? Oh, no, not the... No, stop! Person! No, stop, person, stop! Leave him alone! No, stop. No! Wow! Wow, that's so mean! So why did you just push the noob off? No, not me. It was a mean person. It was Annie Mammy. Emmy Mammy? I can't see it. It's just... That was literally so... Are you serious? Oh, yes. Sir. I got some diamonds. I got some diamonds in Minecraft. I'm gonna go to green. I'm gonna go to blue. Oh, you're gonna go green? Okay, I'm not gonna do green. Like, if green was it. I'm gonna be so mad. Oh, it was yellow again. Shit. No, actually, I'm going to blue. Give me the coin. I'm with this person. Bruh. Well, can I still turn invisible? No. Now I'm invisible. Seriously, it was literally the last. Hey, bro, look at my staff. Kyla, look at my staff. Look at me.
Bro.
Watch out, watch your J, bro. Ah, man, now I'm not the. Ah, no. Now I have to. No, I'm just looking. Oh, I already get it in my hand, so. That's nice. Hahaha, bruh. How much do you have? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, you get what I mean. But it's not even Christmas. I'm really throwing them to nothing.
No. What the fuck is that?
No, that's the main person who pushed the noob off. And she always wins. No, I'm turning this off. There's a diamond cave. Only one diamond. That's only enough for a diamond shovel. Yeah, it's kind of, cheating. And 1 diamond, that isn't even enough for a pickaxe.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Alweer.
No, that's stupid. It's a cake. Bruh. My YouTube channel said so. You better subscribe. You better subscribe, okay? My YouTube channel said. And if somebody unsubscribe, that makes me sad. And then it'll explode. Okay, we can talk about this. Get away. Person, get away! Bruh. I still got a coin though, yeah. No, there's a better mirror to chill then. And go invisible. I'm still doing it. Where are you, Gaia? Oh, is that you? I think I see you. Maybe that's her. That's the ugly server.
Yes.
Wait, is this you? Bruh. I actually don't. It's really actually have no idea. Oh, this is Kyla. No, oh no, why am I it? I suck at this. Cause bruh. Okay, if you tell me where somebody is, I will spare you. But I think I found somebody. Oh wait, no. Yeah, yes. Haha, Eddie paid. Bro, where did you even come from? What? I saw somebody. I just a stupid speed coil. Bruh. Hey, wait. What the bleep?
Hey! Ugh.
You didn't let me to somebody, so I won't
But
spare
I
you.
don't know.
You need a person. Ah! Why is everybody just... Haha, get juke, bro. Oh, there's no person here. Easy. Where's everybody? Bruh. Did I win? Bruh. That is so hard. Oh, yay! Oh, bruh. Only one person? So basically I also won. Yes. Get to the end of... Bruh.
Go back.
Shut up. Who cares? I'm out of here. It's gonna turn yellow, right? And then you have 1 second. See, or else you explode. Like that guy did. Because he's now dead, did it? Kyla, I'm already dead. Kyla, can you see me? Oh. No you can't. Easy. No. What if I do? Videos? Are you serious?
Now you feel my pain?
No, actually. I think it's still... Oh yeah, it's versus this one. Somebody just fell off. Bruh. Just saw somebody fell off. Concentrate on... You can let it... Bruh, you can literally... I can't jump. Yes, sir. Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm almost... Oh no. No. Hi. Bruh. Nee, ik ben net... Are you serious? Are you... What the bleep? Okay, that's the end of the video. This is getting glitchy. What the... And subscribe!